Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this DeeMaxx Alpha G1600X electric over hydraulic actuator for disc brakes. Now this DeeMaxx Brake Actuator will give you faster braking response and improved control for your longer fifth wheel, work, or horse trailer that has disc brakes. With the 28.7 ounces of total reserve capacity, it's got more than enough power to tackle even your most demanding towing needs. The larger fluid capacity can accommodate multi-axle trailers and applications that have longer brake lines requiring extra hydraulic power. This will activate your hydraulic disc system when you apply the brakes in your vehicle. It will reach 1,000 psi in just 3/16 of a second, and the maximum output pressure on this is 1,600 psi. It is also designed to work with from the factory electric brake controllers, so you won't need an extra adapter. And this is made to last, protects key components for everyday reliability. As you can see, it has a nice strong extruded aluminum housing. This will help dissipate heat buildup. It uses upgraded gasket seals and an isolated sealed fluid tank to eliminate risk of contamination. Has a powerful DC motor and a German-made pump. Now this is designed to install on your trailer frame or in an enclosed compartment. If you notice on this side here, it has this rotating 90-degree brake line fitting, so it allows for any mounting positions. The hydraulic port size on this is 3/16 of an inch inverted flare, which is your standard brake line fitting. Now this does meet the DOT, Department of Transportation specifications. Now this part will require components that are sold separately, like a electric over hydraulic compatible factory or aftermarket trailer brake controller, a DOT required battery powered breakaway device with a switch, a 7-way trailer connector to send the wired signal, and of course mounting hardware, wires, connectors, and hydraulic lines and fittings. A few specs on this. Power on this is 12 volt DC, minimum 30 amp circuit. Current draw at full pressure is 18 to 24 amps. The wiring configuration on the back here, you have a black wire, which is 12 volt DC power, have a blue, which is a brake controller, have the yellow, which is your breakaway, and then white, which is your ground. Last thing I want to do is just give you some dimensions on this. The length, I'm first going to measure just the unit itself. So if we put a ruler on it, it's going to be right at 12¼ inches long. Now if we include the mounting tabs, you can see one on each end here, end to end including the mounting tabs, is going to be right at 13¾ inches. The width of it is going to be right at 3 5/8 inches wide. The overall height, not including the cap, is right at about 6 inches. And then you add about 3/4 of an inch extra height for the cap. But that should do it for the review on this DeeMaxx Alpha G1600X electric over hydraulic actuator for disc brakes.